This is our third day of snowboarding after an 18 inches have fallen over the night and the blizzard continues. There's immense amounts of patter everywhere to the point where you need to keep your tip up, otherwise you'll fall under the snow and get stuck in it. All the trails basically look brand new because only a couple people have boarded or skied through them. Oh, the camera can see it snowing.
What?
I didn't think the camera could see it snowing. It does a little bit.
It's like an old movie, right?
Yeah, because of the flicker. It's our grainy film. Hey, the visibility is pretty crappy too. And end the video. And scene.